Hey everyone, welcome to my solution to the CS50 AI Week 1 problem titled Knights. The background on this one is that we're given four logic puzzles in which each character is either a knight or a knave. And if a character is a knight, then the statements that they make are true. And if a character is a knave, the statements that they make are false. And our task is to translate the statements that are made by each character into something that our AI can interpret and then translate into solutions to the logic puzzles. So the way I've structured my solution to this is that there is background information. So based on how many characters are in a given puzzle, there's going to be a number of statements that say each character is either a knave or a knight, because we know that each person must be one of those two positions. And then based on their statements, those will turn into a number of, in most cases, implications. So in the first puzzle, which is simplest, we know that there's one character who says, I am both a knight and a knave. So A is the only person represented in this one. So we have one or statement titled background or labeled background. And then we have each scenario represented by a different line. The two scenarios being one where A is a knight, and if A is a knight, we know that the assertion that A is making, which is that A is both a knight and a knave, is true. So a knight tells you that A is both a knight and a knave. The flip side of that is the implication statement where A is a knave. The same conclusion that it's and a knight and a knave, with the exception that there's a not prefix in front of it. And so that's how we've captured puzzle 0. The same logic holds as we move through puzzle 1, 2, and 3. Obviously getting more complicated as we move on with more characters represented. So puzzle 3 is the most difficult of them. Have an or statement for both, or for all A, B, and C. And then we know that A says one of two things, but we can't know which. B makes a statement about what A said, and then B and C's assertions are pretty straightforward, so we're able to capture those. So this is what the logic looks like. If we run it, you can see that solution to puzzle 0, A is a knave. 1, A is a knave, B is a knight. 2, A is a knave, B is a knight. And 3, A is a knight, B is a knave, and C is a knight. And that's how I approach this problem. Thanks for your time. See you next week.